If you are a Nigerian listening to me right now, I'm sorry to break it to you, but you're currently a debtor to the tune of over 600,000 naira by virtue of being a Nigerian. Recent news broke out that each Nigerian holds an average of 619,501 naira as national debt hits 134.3 trillion naira, according to the National Bureau of Statistics (NBS). To those of you saying, how is that my business? Hello, have you ever heard of the phrase per capita? Well, it's a Latin phrase that means per head or per person. The National Bureau of Statistics putting Nigeria's population at 216.7 million. It means our debt per capita is 619,501 naira as at the last debt record. So you see, my friend, everything that affects this country kind of affects you as well. Even me that I'm making this video, it affects me as well. And that is the reason why this country is in such a mess right now.
God have mercy upon us.
But while the government is probably trying to fix up this mess, what are you doing to help yourself out? Because at the end of the day, it's all man for himself. That is the reason why I want to implore you to pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you in this video. Follow me, like this video, share this video, and tag your friends in the comment section so that they can also come and watch and learn and be able to help themselves as well.
Let's have it.
Are you aware that you can actually earn in pounds in the comfort of your home doing online remote survey jobs without the need to japa? I mean, who needs to japa if you can actually earn in pounds right here in the comfort of your home? Hold on, let me explain. What I'm saying is that you can use your smartphone or your tablet or even your laptop to take online remote survey jobs in the comfort of your home in Ikorodu, Ikeja, Ipaja, Highland, Inewi, Abakaliki, anywhere in the world. In fact, even Cameroon, Ghana, because it is not just restricted to Nigeria, even the famous Equatorial Guinea. Like, you can use your smartphone or your gadgets to do online remote survey jobs, get paid in pounds, convert it to your local currency, and make easy peasy money.
Oh my God!
Currently, right now in Nigeria, a pound is over 2,000 naira, and there's a very high chance that it will still increase. Now, think about it that you're making at least 50 pounds in a day or in a week, because there are people in my online survey community that actually make 50 pounds a day sometimes, and I'm talking about a community of over 3,000 members. So, do the mathematics. 50 pounds times at least that's 2,000 naira. That is over 100,000 naira in a day or in a week, as the case may be. What say you? Will you be interested in learning and knowing more about this? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget, drop a comment in the comment section and I am going to forward you all of the details. Remember, there is no time, and procrastination is a thief of time. So instead of thinking too much about it, why not make the decision right now to join my online survey community of over 3,000 members and help yourself to start cashing out in pounds? Remember, you can always convert it to your local currency and it is easy peasy money. Now, I will see you on the money side. Mwah.